proposed resolutions. So how do we get out of this logical mess? How can we make sense of a statement like "I'm lying"? Over the years, scholars have offered several intriguing resolutions to the liar paradox. Let's dive into a few of them. One of the most famous approaches is Tarski's hierarchical solution. Alfred Tarski, a brilliant logician, proposed that we should separate statements about truth into different levels or hierarchies. In simple terms, statements like "I'm lying" should exist in a higher logical level, distinct from the language they describe. This means that when we discuss the truth of a statement, we are talking about something in a different logical layer, avoiding the direct self-reference that causes the paradox. Tarski's solution essentially says, let's just not allow self-referential statements at all, but not everyone agrees with this. Enter Dialetheism, a fascinating philosophical view that takes a more radical approach. Dialetheists accept that some statements can be both true and false at the same time. This paradox, in their eyes, doesn't need to be resolved, it simply exists in a contradictory state. In their world, contradictions aren't something to avoid but something to embrace. And then, there's the idea of fuzzy logic, which takes a different angle altogether. Rather than insisting on truth or falsehood, fuzzy logic proposes that truth exists on a spectrum, with varying degrees of truth and falsehood. In the fuzzy world, a statement like "I'm lying" might not be either fully true or fully false, but somewhere in between. Each of these ideas challenges traditional logic, showing us just how much we still have to learn about truth and language. In a way, these resolutions push us to rethink what we consider logical or rational. So, which one do you think is the right answer? Or maybe the paradox just doesn't need solving after all?